Hey everybody, so in this video I will show you how to make a 3D logo based on picture that we found on internet. So just let's get started. First, as you know, I'm using Solidworks, and then just directly Control plus N, then part OK, and then first thing is you have to use front plan, then show, then click sketch. Well, first thing that I want to do is make sure that I already saved the logo that I want to make. So here we go. What I want to make is DGA Phantom logo. So just directly input the picture, and then yeah, here we go. So this is the picture that I want to follow. And then first thing that we have to do is using line. I just directly put it over here, and then I want to make sure that I show all plane, so I can make this logo as reference. Let's say this one. Okay, it will be great. Then this one, then this one, yeah, this one, this one, then this one, then this one. Okay, then this one. Okay, we'll make sure that I make this fixed, so it cannot go anywhere. It's already fixed, so it will be reference for wall line. And then this one also, I want to make sure that this will be fit. Okay, this one, this one make parallel, then just directly give its 3. Okay, so it'll be great. This one, this one, this one, this one also make parallel with this one. Okay, then I think this is just not make fix. Then yeah, extend. Okay, here we go. This one, it's like 100. Okay, then this one. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's make sure that it will be 17. This one. Okay, so it will be, make sure it's parallel with this one. 30. Well done. This is the first 4 alphabet. So here we go. This done, and then yeah, what I want to do is just make a selection. I just offset this part. Okay, 30. Then this one also. I think this is not 30, so I will cancel to choose this line. Okay, and then this one also. Okay, here we go. This one. Then make sure we will reverse this one. I think it's about 130. Okay, it's good. Make sure we make the line over here. So damn it. So yeah, just extend this one, Okay, here we go. This one, make it parallel with this line, and just give there is 116. Then this one and this one also. Let's make it 6. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it looks good. So this one line. So it's completely using line. So I think actually you will find that a lot of way how to make a 3D logo with Solidworks, but this is the worst way how to wanna make it manually, you can just use Illustrator to convert or image trace, and then you can directly input to SolidWorks. But yeah, a lot of ways, so that's depend on you which one you want use to convert logos. So yeah, that's all. Well guys, so this is actually done. So what I want to do next is just make it finished, then I wanna repeat the same things using front plan. Then I just directly choose sketch, then yeah, I wanna make sure that I convert entities. So you guys see that's the first sketch we will show on the second sketch. So just directly give it a radius, just I don't know the exactly number, but let's see, it's maybe 18. Okay, no, it's same, it's different. Okay, first already get the number. Okay, it's like 15. Is it? No. Okay, here we go. Then let's make this one, yeah, 45. Then let's make this one, I don't know how, but this one it's like the 158. Then let's see what this one is. That 30? Yes. Okay, here we go. This is the DJI Phantom logo, and then what I want to make is just directly convert this one. Then yeah, here we go. And then I just want to save the file, DJI logo 3D. Okay guys, so that's all how to make a logo from a picture that you found on internet. Then this is the worst way that I show to you, because a lot of way that you can find in another tutorial how to make it easier. Okay, so that's all guys, thank you for watching, hopefully this is useful. Bye.